We are at the Red Lion in Leytonstone. This is an Antic pub, one of about 50 in their group, and very good customer of Hoist Group. We're very proud to work with them. What's really interesting about this group is they're expanding their pub offering and developing a hotel offering in parallel. And they've come to Hoist Group to help them bridge that gap. We provide today their property management system through our hot-soft platform. We provide their door locks and a mobile key solution. We also provide their network connectivity with great Wi-Fi and their TV, managed TV solution here at the Red Lion and soon at other Antic establishments as well. The benefit of this is they're taking an integrated solution from Hoist Group that allows them to drive synergies, gives them operational benefits, certainly on a cost level, and most importantly allows them to market cross-platform to their guests in a way that they've never been able to do before. The sort of benefit of this integrated platform as well, I think, is realized when you look at the social media reviews for the Red Lion, which are really strong indeed. And as I say, we're really proud to work with such a progressive group as this one.